Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. Exterior design of a two-story black modern house. Overall aesthetic: a dramatic and minimalist contrast to the natural, rugged beauty of the coastal environment. Exterior finishes: black exterior, a sleek, modern look that stands out against the natural backdrop. Floor-to-ceiling glass, maximizing the stunning ocean and mountain views. Metal accents: sleek metal frames for windows and doors, complementing the black exterior. Stone cladding for the lower level, integrating the house with the rocky terrain. Architectural details: clean lines, a minimalist approach with sharp angles and geometric shapes. Flat roof, a contemporary and sleek look that complements the modern aesthetic. Overhangs, to provide shade and protection from the elements while maintaining the minimalist look. Landscape and pool: infinity pool, seamlessly blending with the ocean, creating a breathtaking panorama. Rock formations, incorporating natural rocks into the landscape, creating a harmonious blend with the environment. Minimalist landscaping, focusing on the natural beauty of the surroundings, with minimal plant life. Outdoor living area, a spacious deck or patio for relaxation and entertaining. Overall impression: a bold and contemporary statement that harmonizes with the rugged coastal landscape. The black exterior creates a dramatic contrast against the blue ocean and rocky mountain, while the infinity pool and minimalist design offer a luxurious and serene retreat. Interior design of a two-story black modern house. Overall aesthetic: a minimalist and luxurious interior that complements the dramatic exterior and maximizes the stunning ocean and mountain views. Color palette: predominantly white to create a sense of spaciousness and light. Black accents to echo the exterior and add depth. Neutral tones like gray or beige for balance. Materials: wood for warmth and texture, stone or concrete for flooring and accents, glass and metal for a modern industrial feel. Furniture: clean lines and simple shapes for a minimalist aesthetic, comfortable and inviting seating arrangements. Multifunctional furniture to optimize space. Decor: minimalist artwork or photography to complement the natural surroundings. A few carefully selected decorative pieces. Indoor plants to bring the outdoors in. Key rooms: living room, open and airy with floor-to-ceiling windows framing the ocean and mountain views. A minimalist fireplace can add warmth and ambience. Kitchen: modern and functional with sleek cabinetry and high-end appliances. A large island can serve as a dining area. Bedrooms: serene and restful with a focus on comfort and relaxation. Use neutral colors and natural materials. Bathrooms: luxurious and spa-like with a focus on natural light and clean lines. Overall impression: a sophisticated and refined interior that reflects the modern exterior of the house. The use of contrast between black and white creates a dramatic yet elegant atmosphere, while the incorporation of natural materials brings a sense of warmth and balance. The interior should be designed to seamlessly connect with the outdoor spaces, maximizing the stunning views. Reasons to design a modern two-story black wooden house. A modern two-story black wooden house with an infinity pool, beachfront location, and mountain backdrop offers a unique blend of style, functionality, and environmental consciousness. Here are some compelling reasons for this design choice. Aesthetic appeal: dramatic contrast. The black wood creates a striking contrast against the natural beauty of the ocean and mountains. Modern minimalism. The clean lines and simple form align with contemporary design trends. Visual impact. The infinity pool and expansive glass walls maximize the stunning views, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Functionality. Natural light. The glass walls allow for maximum natural light, creating a bright and airy interior. Indoor-outdoor living. The design encourages a strong connection with nature and promotes a healthy lifestyle. Luxury and relaxation. The infinity pool and beachfront location offer a serene and indulgent environment. Psychological benefit. Sense of calm. The minimalist aesthetic in connection to nature can promote relaxation and well-being. Inspiration. The stunning views can serve as a constant source of inspiration and creativity. Privacy. The dark exterior can provide a sense of seclusion and exclusivity. Environmental benefits. Sustainability. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly choice. Minimal environmental impact. The design can be adapted to incorporate sustainable materials and practices. Connection to nature. The house's orientation towards the natural surroundings promotes a harmonious relationship with the environment. By combining these elements, a modern two-story black wooden house with an infinity pool can create a truly exceptional and unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.